Those are big. Alright, what is up, you guys? We are out here at, hold on, there we go. We're over at Arivaca Lake. It is April 17th. And it's been a while since we've done any content. But we're gonna try to catch a fat, whatever we can catch, you know.
What?
What are you wanting about? You thought?
Oh, I thought you already got it.
No, dude, I snagged in some weeds. Try to rip it out of there.
I thought you already caught a fish.
That crankbait makes it look like you're catching something, huh?
Yeah, it does.
It's a cheat code. Alright, we're gonna drop the skeg and we're gonna get out to the spot. I don't know if this cameras can see me. Can y'all see me? There we go. Alright, we'll see you out there. Alright, we're gonna cast this little crank. Let me see, can I get this to... Is that a weird POV? Is that weird? Do you understand me? Oh shit. Dang, it's about to be so windy this afternoon. There we go. Broke the ice. Not a bad one. Look at that. Man, that hooked him too. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah. Y'all see that? Not a bad little fish. We're just drop shotting a little oxblood. Nothing too crazy, too fancy today. He's got it. Got him.
Another one?
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh no! Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna beach myself into this wood over here. Alright, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Chief, I should stay here. He's got it. Is that Border Patrol? Hey. freaking back to back to back to back on these little bass, chief. Look at that sucker, dude. Crushing it. Hey, we're crushing, Dingle. Look at that Staningle. Ah. Y'all see that? We're crushing these little tiny. I don't know what's going on with these little ones. There's gotta be a fat son of a. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's a big one. And somehow my camera wasn't running. Oh, my nasty chair. Oh. That's a good one. Oh, Shagodia. What do we got here? What do we got here? What do we got there? What do we got there? Little bassinine. Bassinine. We're still catching them. It's weird on a windy day, like catching them on such a finesse setup. Oh, I just got another. I didn't even feel this one. Oh, this one's big. It's a giant. It's a giant. Don't lose this fish. No. Oh, I'm getting carried away. I am such a... I'm so bad. This is a big one. Oh, I'm so... There we go! Big fish! Oh, he wasn't going nowhere. Do y'all see that size of that sucker? Where's my pliers at? That's big fish. That was embarrassing. Wow, I hooked him in such a good spot. Dang! Look at the size of that bass. Four-pounder probably. No doubt, big fish. There, she gone. You guys do know that wind is when like the trees and plants are angry and they start moving around. They'll try to tell you it's not. Alright, you guys, I appreciate you tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed.